Hi guys, welcome again on my motherland platform. Today we'll be gonna talking about how to list your product on your shop. Okay, so here as you can see we have already logged to my account. Right, as you can see here. Then to list your product, you directly come here and click on product. Right, you click on this. You can see this icon. Okay, you click on product, and when you click on product, I have already opened uh, one windows. Okay, so that we won't waste time. So directly it will take you to here. Okay, it will take you to here. As you can see, manage product. Okay, add product. Good. Now you have to come here. Okay, you have simple product, variable product, group product, external affiliated product, and auction. Today we're going to be talking about simple product. Simple product just to say that you have an article, okay, you want to list, and the price is unique. The color is okay. You can see have different kind of color, but the price have to be unique, right? So you come here, then you type the name of the article here. Let me say, you finish to type the name of your product. Then here, you come and define the price of your product. I can say 100 RMB. Okay. Now, near that you can see this how sell price. If you want to go on promotion, right? Like you are in promotion, you want to give people discount, you can write it here like 99 is up to you, or 50, or 25, or 90. So on your platform, it will display the first price, but will underline it, and down it will write down 90. I can show you here. Let me see. For example, when you go on the platform, you see some product already listed, but because it's on promotion, you see the first price written, but underlined, like I was telling you, it will write down 100, and that it will underline the 100, and down it will write down the 90 RMB. We continue before the page loads, because the page is loading. We won't want that time. So your promotion starts from which time, which day, to which day. When you want to choose the day, you have to click here to choose the date, right? You choose any date, right? Here you can choose 31, and you ask him to start. If you want, you can ask the promoter to start the same day by clicking on 30, and then you see how it displays. Then you come back here and to specify where it will stop. Okay, you come here to change the month, like you see September, October, and so on. The year, right? It's up to you. The day of the week, Monday to Sunday, and then let's say I want to go on promotion till, let me see, September 2. Then you see that you change, then you continue. Let's see if the page already displayed. Yes, it's already displayed. See, like this, for example, this product is 65 RMB, and because it's on promotion, it's written, it's written 58, right? So that's how it's going to display when you specify the promotion thing. So you can choose to display or hide the date right here by clicking on schedule. So let's continue. When you finish to specify the title, the price, and you're going on promotion, is up to you if you want. Let's say we are not going on promotion. Then you come here to choose the picture, the main picture. So you click on it. It takes you to media library. If you already got some pictures on your let's say your media library, okay, on the platform, that you're gonna display them here. But if not, you got to come here and click on select file. That will take you to your computer. On the platform, you are allowed to upload the maximum a file of 128 megabytes. Okay, if your file is up to 128 megabytes, it will reject it. You can also choose to come here. The picture you didn't have it on your library on the platform, you just come here and click on upload, select file, and then it takes you to your computer. Then you choose your file, you choose your picture, okay? And then after choosing your picture, you click on select, right? And then let's continue. Down here, if your product you want to display some other picture of your product, let's say you have a bag, okay, and you just have the picture of the bag alone, okay, you put it as a main picture. But down here you can take some other picture, like a friend of yours taking it, or your model taking the bag, or somebody, or yourself also if you want. Then you got to take that picture here. Okay, we put the picture here, and how do you choose it? By clicking on it, and the same process. Okay, if you got it already in your media library, then you're gonna choose it here. Otherwise, you click here. It also takes you to the computer to choose the picture, or you can also come here. So let's go back. You put the first picture. You want to put like 3 or 4, let's say. Then you have to come down here and click and add a new block, and then the same process, right? And if you want to continue the same process, and so and so, then let's delete it first. Yeah, okay. So after putting your pictures, you go down and write a short description of your product. Okay, you don't want to say too much, you just write it here. Okay, you write a short description of your product here. Or if you want, you can choose to, if you already have a link of a description, you just need to click on this one and type down the URL of the link, and it will display it on the platform for you. So this one is to customize, okay, these help you to customize the description you want to put. So when you finish your short description, okay, you come here to choose the categories, the category of your product. Like let's say electronics. Okay, when you go on inside electronics, we have different kind of subcategory like camera, cars, and vehicle, and so all about electronics. Okay, then you choose your category. When you finish with the category, if you see one you want to write a long description, you still have the option to write it here. Like some people want to talk about how to use the product, of the content of the product, and so you can also write it down here. And the same product come as I've told you. Okay, we talk about those later, but let's move on. Here is the tag. As you can see, the platform already defined. In the platform, you already have some default platform. It means, sorry, you already have some default tags, right? Tags usually are the word, okay, you should write in to let some people who want to look for your, who want to search for your product on the platform, or on the search engine like Google. Let's say uh, your product, okay, you say African bags, okay, or you can say African traditional clothes, right? So for hashtag, you can write down African, or you can also just write traditional, or you can also write cultural, right? Cultural, right? So, and every time you write a tag, okay, if you want to write 1 and 2 or 3 or 4, you have to separate them with a comma, okay, space, comma, space. Then you write the second one, traditional, and so and so. So, as you can see here, we already got some default tags. You can go and choose them. Let's say Cameroon, cell phone, Cameroon, okay. You can see antiques. You see, it's separate by a comma, right? Headset, and so, right? The tag help you to let people find you on the platform by searching, right, the product, or on some search engine. So I click that, move on. So you finish with all of these, then you go down. You go down here. So here is a little important, right? Here you have inventory. So the inventory is that your product, you want to specify in your stock the code. Okay, then you write it here. Okay, it's up to you so that you can know exactly how which kind of product we want to know the code, the product in your store. What is its code, and what is the quantity you have in stock, right? For that one to check for the quantity in the stock, you have to check this one, right? If you check this one, then you can type you have 10, you have to write 10 inside, right? It's going to display it on the platform so that customers know that you have 10 quantity in the stock. But if you don't want, then you just need to remove it. But when you display, look, for example, you see, when I check this, okay, it show you another option. This option allow you to choose, right? In case the product, okay, he wrote down allow back order. Imagine that the product you haven't got it in stock right now. Okay, you can choose do not allow. So it means somebody who wants that product, and if you're out of stock, okay, it means the person cannot order it because it's out of stock. So because you have chosen do not allow a back order. A back order is just that somebody wants to order it and wait. Imagine that you're in China, so the product is in your country, in your hometown, and it's out of stock. Then somebody order it. Then maybe you want the person to wait for 1 week and get the product, right? So if you choose do not allow it when the product is out of stock, then he won't allow the person to order it on the platform through the platform. But if you want, you can choose this option, allow but notify customer, right? So it's mean what? The customer, when he noticed that the product is out of stock, he can make a back order, right? You click and order the product, and then it will notify him. When he click on the product, and say and pay the money and all everything, then the system will show him product out of stock. And so and so, but if you want to wait 10 days, okay? Or you can also just choose allow. So when you choose allow, when the customer make the order, you won't gonna show him anything, the delay and so on, right? He's just going to take the order, okay, and the customer has to wait, which is not something I advise. Okay, good. It's not professional. So the last one is a sold individually. If that product you don't want to sell it, you just want to sell it one pieces of them, then you just click this, right? You check this option. But if you want to sell at the if you want the customer to buy one pieces, two pieces at the same time, then you have got to remove it. Okay. So, but if you don't want to manage your stock at all, okay, you got to uncheck this one. Then it will display on your platform in stock. Okay, in stock. As you can see, stock status in stock. Okay, people can buy. But if you are not, the product is not in stock yet, you got to write down out of stock. And this one is to allow, like I was saying, to allow customer to order back, to make a back order. A back order, which means, like I told you just right now, a customer will notice that the product is not available, but he can wait. Okay, he waits, and for that he can discuss with the seller. Okay, there is a channel for that. Discuss with the supplier, uh, with which time. Okay, with how many days he should wait for, right? So usually it's in stock. If it's a new product, it's in stock. We leave it in stock, and then we continue. Now then we come to shipping. Shipping, okay, we don't talk about those two. Okay, we start from here directly. For now, the system have been uh, set up like that for now. So shipping class, we have different kind of shipping class. If you leave it at no shipping class, okay, it's mean what? When the customer order the goods, the system will generate automatically 20, will add up 20 yuan on the total of the bill as a shipping fee if you leave it at no shipping class. But if you want to, if you don't want to charge the customer on that product, if you don't want to charge him a shipping fee, you got to choose free shipping so that when the customer will finish everything and want to check out, the system won't add any other fee. Okay, you're gonna charge him the amount of what he have choose and bought, right? So you click shipping fee for that one. Now, after shipping fee, we have large shipping fee. Usually for large shipping fee, when you choose that option for that product, okay, the customer will get charged 35 RMB for the shipping. So when you are listing your product, okay, you have to estimate, okay, you already know how much, okay. So we treat it like that. It means anywhere people around China, they make an order, right? You're gonna see, okay, you can lose as you can gain, right? So large shipping fee, the system charge 35 more, 35 more shipping fee. Of course, the money will be given to you because you're gonna. It's from your side. The good should be start moving, okay, to the customer, okay. That amount of that fee should be given to you. So large shipping fee is 35, medium shipping fee 25, and the small shipping fee 15. Okay, but for information, remember that when you leave it at no shipping class, the system will charge automatically 20 RMB as shipping fee. Okay, so right down you can decide to write down the processing time. Like if the goods already there in your stock, leave it at ready to ship in. But if the goods you need 1 business day before to start shipping, you should choose 1 business day, and so on, 6 weeks, and so on. It's up to you, right? So imagine that the thing is on back order, like we've seen here. If you're choosing back order, right? On back order, then when you come here, you have to specify the processing time. You have to maybe you see, okay, 1 to 2 weeks or 3 to 4 weeks and so on. Now let's come here. So attributes for simple product, we don't advise you to change this one, but it's up to you if you want to. Because simple product is mean what? Same color, same price. So if the price have to vary based on the attribute, like I was saying, color can attributes are color, for example, size, and so and so. And if you don't have the kind of attribute you want here, you can come and choose it here. You can add by clicking here. You can create a new attribute. You just need to click on this, and you will create a new attribute. You see that? Okay, he created a new attribute. You're gonna give the name of the attribute. We'll come back there later. Let's continue what we're doing right now. Sorry. Okay, good. Okay, we'll come back later. Good. So, like I was saying, for simple product, I don't advise you to come and check any attribute here. If you have a product with different attributes, like let's say color, you have black, yellow, and so on, it's better you choose here variable product, which will cover later, because it means your product varies, okay, based on the color and so on and so on, right? But here, with simple product, you can only choose variable when if the price is same, but the color are different or the size are different, right? Then you have to come here and check the color, and then you come down and you choose the kind of color you want. If it's black, you take black. If it's aqua, you just aqua, and then you see choose those, and then you continue. But I don't advise you to touch that one. Okay, we cover it when we are in variable product, right? So let's check it. Good. So let's continue. Linked. So let's say that your product, okay? Imagine that is a watch, and the watch we're selling it at 100 RMB, but on the platform, on your store, you have some other watch which are expensive, okay? Expensive and high quality, and you want to also show the customer, okay? You also want to give a choice to customer to choose. Then on your platform, maybe you may have some other watch but with high quality. Then you have to come here, and the minimum character you have to put input to display those products is, let's say, 3 characters. Let's say, I don't know, let's choose one article in the store. Let's say um, shirts, right? So then for shirt, I write that one. Okay, there is nothing like that. But you have to know. You just need to type the beginning of the article, the title of the article here, and then it will display, and you choose. Okay, you choose, and then when somebody go on your store and want to buy products, okay, down there it will display those qualities, high qualities item to them, right? Then they make a choice. Okay, it's up to them. Or if you see want to understand more, you just need to click on this question mark, and it will tell you more, right? Good. Cross sell. Cross sell is that, like, you're selling a watch, and at the same time you want to advertise, um, let's say, chain, okay, or earrings. Then you do the same process. So you come here and try to list them. It's up to you how many you want to list, right? But how do you search it? Then you type the minimum of 3 characters of the title of that article name, right? But this one, the difference, it have to be the same product. Like I say, watch. Okay, you're selling a watch at 100, but at the same time you have on your store some high qualities watch, like, which costs you 2,000 RMB or 20,000 RMB at the same time. Then you want the customer to choose. So he want to buy 100 watt, right? But at the same time, you want to show him some other article which are expensive but high quality. He said, you come here. This one is just those other article. Let's move on. Then we go to product policy. Product policy is like your store, which is different, totally different from the policy of the platform. You can define your own store policy. So you write here and write the label, right? Okay, you write the label of your policy, right? You write it here. Then you go down, you can write down your store shipping policy, your refund policy, as you can see here, or cancellation, return, or exchange policy. You know, cancellation is mean the customer buy, if you want to cancel the order. The customer, you haven't shipped the goods already, but the customer want to cancel the order, right? So how to do? You have to write it down on your store. This is about your store. Return policy. The customer buy the goods, so he's not satisfied. There's a problem. Then you can also write it down when it comes to this kind of problem. What to do? You write it down. Exchange policy is like the customer buys something. Maybe he was not satisfied, and then you agree to change it with another product, right? You also write it down, right? Those are your store policy. And when you finish with all of these, then you come to advance, which is the last one. Advance here, okay? If you check enable review, okay, it's allows your customer to comment, right? When they finish to buy the product and receive the good, when you check this enable review, the customer can have opportunity to give them opportunity to comment on the product. It's good, I will buy it again, and so. Good. But if you check it, they won't. have the opportunity to comment on the product. Right? So we leave it to check. Okay, here, uh, purchase order. We'll talk about this many other later. Okay, or if you want many other, is usually you only want to the position. Okay, the position of the goods. Okay, you want to put it at one of. But we'll talk about it later. Let's talk about purchase a purchase note. The purchase note is what you write it down here. Okay, a sentence or a paragraph is up to you, so that when the customer finish to buy his good, okay, and want to go and do everything, this message will be sent to him. Maybe you want to thank you for buying in our shop or in our store and so. Welcome back again. You write it here. So when you finish with all of these, okay. Oh, sorry, we forgot to mention something. The catalog visibility. The catalog visibility is that when you list your product, you remember to check catalog, okay? Or if you don't check it also, it's okay, right? If you don't check it also, it's okay. We'll talk about catalog and vid or downloadable stuff later. But when come back to here, okay, catalog visibility. So that product you are listing, you can choose to allow people to search it, okay? First, to display on your shop and also allow people to search it, okay? Okay, when people search for the product, they can't find it. You can also choose to display it only into your shop by clicking on shop only. But it means people won't find it if they try to search it here. If they try to come here and search, right? They won't find it. Search result only, right? You don't want people to see the product in your store, but you just want people to go on search to find that product. It's like the product you don't the product is there on your on the platform on your store, but you don't display. Okay, you don't display it. It's maybe something you don't want people to know, right? You don't display it, but it's there. People can only find it by come and search for it, right? Or the last one, you can hide the product. It's when you list a product, you don't want people to start seeing it yet, then you click on hidden, right? And then it's gonna so hide the product. But per default is shop and search result. Okay, per default. Okay, guys, that was the end of our tutorial about how to add a simple product, okay, on your store, right? Next time we'll be talking about how to list a variable product, and then we come up with a lot more detail. Thank you. That was Edmond from my motherland. See you next time. Thanks.